Hi. Are you finding tile joints difficult to clean and maintain? Is your bathroom leaking into the floor below through tile joints? Do you have to frequently repair tiles and regrout joints? Is your bathroom looking old and outdated? Are you looking for easy-to-maintain floors for your home? Are you looking for an ideal renovation solution for your old staircases and sit-outs? Introducing seamless walls and floors from the Creativo range from MP Colorificio Italy. These are Microcement and Resin Based finishes for floors and walls, with an exclusive and wide range of finishes. Creativo can be used in living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, bathrooms, staircases, tabletops, commercial floors and even terraces. Creativo Living Rooms. Use Creativo for high-quality seamless surfaces, contemporary designs. Creativo combines protection, resistance and decoration into one product. Creativo in bedrooms. Creativo has very high adhesion to substrate and is flexible. You can use Creativo directly on existing tiles, marble or granite, even if old surface is smooth. Creativo in bathrooms. Creativo is ideal for new and old bathroom renovations. Your bathrooms will have 100% seamless walls and floors, with no joints to clean. It is 100% waterproof and has a very low dirt pickup. Creativo has certified resistance to basic detergents, alkalis and acids. Creativo in kitchen and dining rooms. Creativo is HACCP certified for application in food areas and hospitals. It is non-toxic, A+ classified for indoor VOC emissions. You can ensure clean and hygienic kitchens and dining areas with Creativo. Creativo for staircases. Creativo is the ideal product for staircases. You can have seamless staircases, in customized designs and shades, matching rest of your decor. It is tough and resilient and non-slip. It is easy to clean, since it is joint-free. Creativo in commercial spaces. Creativo can be used in commercial spaces like offices, bars and restaurants, showrooms, lounges, hotels etc. It has excellent resistance to compression, abrasion and scratches. It is easy to repair if damaged. Creativo is CE marked, according to UNIEN 1813 standard. Creativo in outdoor spaces. Creativo is designed for use even on exteriors. You can use Creativo in sit-outs, balconies, exterior seaters and walkways. Creativo is waterproof and resistant to UV rays. We will now briefly demonstrate the application of Creativo. Step 1. Clean the surface well. Mix Creativo Fondo and Creativo Microcemento in the ratio 2:1 with a mechanical mixer. Apply on floor or wall with a stainless steel trowel in a very thin layer. Allow to dry for 8 hours. After 8 hours, sand the surface and vacuum the dust. Repeat the same process for second coat. Step 2. Select Creativo Finitura in the desired shade and mix with Creativo Microcemento in 2:1 ratio. Apply the product by Creativo Red Spatula. Allow to dry for 8 hours, then sand surface and vacuum the dust. Apply the second coat and design according to desired effect. Step 3. Apply a uniform coat of Creativo Primer by roller. It is also possible to apply a decorative finish from the Style Italiano collection, instead of primer. Step 4. Application of protective coat. Mix component A and B of Creativo top, and apply by special mohair roller in 2 coats. Allow 6 hours between coats. Creativo is available in ready-to-apply kits, and easy to use. The next product in the Creativo range is Creativo Metal. This is a ready-to-use, water-based pure liquid metal. You can produce a smooth metal foil look or a texture finish, suitable for high-end decoration. It can be used on walls, ceiling, floors and furniture for a pure metal effect. Available in steel, gold, bronze, copper and iron finishes. We will now display some images of completed projects of Creativo, for a better understanding of the finishes. We hope the Creativo range of products has sparked some creative ideas in you. We carry out Creativo application services through our interiors division, GEC Pro Interno. If you are interested to renovate your home, or commercial space, with seamless floors, or want to use Creativo in your new project, please do contact us. Our contact details are provided below. Thank you and looking forward to your most valued business.